Okay, today we'll discuss about virtualization. Okay, hi, good morning all. Today we'll discuss about virtualization. Okay, wait 2 more minutes. Wait 2 more minutes. My students are joining. Okay, today we'll discuss about virtualization concepts. Okay, what is virtualization versus physical machine versus AWS cloud. Okay. First, physical machines. We'll discuss about physical machines. In the physical machines, we have a project. It's an government project. Assume like assume like that. Assume like that. So the manager asked to set up a server. Okay, we have three data centers available in different zones. Okay, DC nothing but data centers, DNS, data recovery, DCDRs. Okay, we'll keep it as DC and DRs. Okay, suppose I will show you one image. This is the data centers. This is the data center. This is the data center. In the data center, this is the servers. There are two friends and one manager and one employee is discussing about the projects. Okay, these are all the servers in the data centers. These are the physical servers. This is nothing but DC. This is DR. This is standby data center. Okay, in this, these are all the servers. Suppose I have 1 million projects are coming into the organization. It will difficult to manage the servers in the data centers, physical data centers. Okay, I will show you. Yeah, one of the scenarios. And I have so many data, so many servers, lakhs of servers. These are the servers in the data center. All are connected with the plugins, plugs, and all the switches, all the things. Okay. Now, this is visual operational team. Okay. This is Ritu is the manager. Ritu manager. Okay. Okay, I will show you evidence. Okay, this is physical machines or servers. Okay, I will show you. This is virtual machine. In the virtual machine, we can read, we can, okay, this hardware operating system, either Windows or RHEL or CentOS. I will show you. Don't worry this. I have full evidence for this. On the top of virtualization VTX must and should be enabled. VTX must and should be enabled. I will show you what is VTX. I will show you. Go to the task manager. Go to the performance. Click CPU. Go to the CPU. See, there is virtualization is there, right? Enable. See, virtualization by default enable. Okay, this is my CPU utilization 2730, 27, 26, 30. Okay, memory is 41%, disk 1.2 Mbps, network level 10.6 Mbps, GPU graphical process unit that's 32%. Okay, every laptop and computer or virtualization is mandatory. Okay, virtualization is mandatory. Go to performance, go to CPU virtualization. Okay, suppose suppose one DC will be down, will move to another data center. That is nothing but DR. Okay, if any issues will be faced, current data center will be immediately switch over activity will be there. Data center. without loss of business. Much more, much more. Okay, much more. Okay, okay. In this is this is very difficult to set up, right? Again, in this concept, P2C migration is the happened P2C migration, and in this scenarios, P2C migration is done. Okay, Ritu told me P2C migration. Okay, in this, Ritu told told me that we have 1 million projects agreement completed. It says like that, and Vishal told me that we haven't managed the servers at all. At all. Okay. In this scenarios, in this scenarios, AWS AWS came into the market. Thousands of projects will be handled by AWS. Okay. In this, in ThinkAd, Vishal ThinkAd, data center is not good for these scenarios. 1 million projects. So we prepared think virtual machines and enable VTX. Okay. After this, we create the servers and create all servers like this. This will not put it in our bedroom and all the things. This is one storage place is available for this. That is nothing but data centers. Okay, virtualization. Okay, all the things done. These are the one of the Windows server and one is the Linux server. Windows Windows server. Another is Linux server. Another one is Azure servers. We can n number of servers we can maintain. But here one drawback is there. Here one drawback is there. Whatever it is means one drawback is there. What the drawback is? What's the drawback? Drawback means suppose hardware failures happen in the system, automatically our servers crash. Okay, crash. We build new servers. It will fully headache. So we cannot manage the millions of servers. So sorry, Ritu, I will resign my job. My job. He said like that. Okay, he said like that. I am not able to handle so many servers, million servers. So in this, okay, manager is manager troubles. Okay, upset, upset, upset on the things. Here another door is open. I will manage n number of servers, will manage n number of servers. Okay, that is nothing but AWS. AWS. How to manage? Manager asked. It's none of your business. I will manage. It is none of your business. It's none of your business. AWS will manage full infrastructure as a service. Service 70% handled by AWS, 70% AWS handle, 30% our handle, 30% ours handles. Okay, in this region there are 23 regions available in AWS data centers. Recently, AWS data center opened in Hyderabad. Okay, this is nothing but V2C migration, virtualization to cloud, physical to cloud. P2C means here, P2C means physical to cloud migration, and V2C means virtualization to cloud. These are the concepts in this. In the virtualization, separate OS is available and hardware is available, network is available. I will show you how to create the virtual machine. First, we need to download virtual machine VMware. This is my VMware. I will show you how to download VMware. See, I have Windows machine is there. I have Linux machine is there. In the Windows machine, I will use Microsoft Active Directory. I am using Windows have my Active Directory, and I configure Active Directory to our Linux servers by using bind password and bind username. We can trade. Okay, say I will show you. File, go to file, create new virtual machines. Suppose my machine is crashed, this server is not work. We can manually configure all servers. This is VMware. I am installing Red Hat Linux in our servers. So I will use RHEL image. Next, this is the separate OS. RHEL 964 is detected. I will use my name and I will use vasadmin vasadmin@123. I will use password. You can use your own passwords, no issues. Okay, I will use RHEL and click browse and create one folders. Make it as RHEL for naming conversions. Okay, for next, this is the how many processes, how many core, only one processor, how many core processes one, nothing, no issues. Patient. Okay, every virtual machine have by do default 2 GB is available. Here Ritu also and Vishal also told 2 GB it will make it as 24 GB. 12 servers we can make it as 12 into 2 GB, it means 24 GB. Each server 12 to 24, right? So I will make it as 12 servers. Like that, we can make it n number of servers, n number of instances. You can create like that. Suppose here headache is came into picture. One machine is down, and all instances are also down, right? So in these scenarios, AWS is handled all servers as a infrastructure as a service. Okay, we can treat it as infrastructure as a service, software as a service. Okay, in now present in present days, infrastructure is maintained by AWS. Okay, only we are headache is only 30% for our money and agreements, all the things purpose. 70% maintenance infrastructure as service in AWS. Okay, this is nothing but in the data store. These all the DCs available. DC is physical machines are very dangerous compared to others. Okay, VMware also dangerous. Okay, AWS nowadays market is in AWS or Azure. Okay, in AWS there is already one image is available. IMI is available. In the IMI we can easily install it. Okay, after that we can ISO image is already available in AWS. Pre next class will be create AWS image and VPC clouds and a cluster and create the migration V2C and migration. How to migration will happen? Okay, how networks and packet subnets and how monitor the application by using CloudWatch. Already did this is in my channel CloudWatch and how Terraform will works already discussed sample discussed. Please watch that is how Kubernetes cluster is available. EKS cluster how EKS cluster is created by using Amazon CLI. Okay, in Amazon CLI we can prod servers and EKS how to create. Almost all topics are covered in this channel. Okay, my we are aim is easily to use the channel and easily to learn the channel with don't you misuse. Okay, it is a confidential information. Okay, don't misuse this channel to anywhere. Okay, we can deliver suitable content in this channel. Okay, please subscribe this and share your friends. Okay, so based on the RAM we can give it as 2 GB or 4 GB. My RAM is 12 GB, so I can give 8 GB, 8192. Okay, I will show you. Cal N24 into 8, 8192. Okay, 8 GB I am given. I have so many machines are there, but just creating. See, network address, network address translation. We can use host only network as a private virtual network over the host. Bridge network means we can bridge between one to another by using Ethernet, own IP address. Okay, this is nothing but elastic IP address. And say recommended basic bus logic and all the things, and recommended IDE, all the things, virtual disk types, and create a new virtual machine. For advanced user, use physical disk, and I will give you 100 GB, and use virtual machine is a single device. Next, this is VMDX. 100 GB disk will be created using the file name RHEL VMDK. Next, this is the thing we can use finish. If any issues VTX, we can enable VTX. Such how to enable VTX, I will show you. I resolved my students in how to VTX is not enabled. How VTX is enabled in Dell laptops. Laptop. See, go to press F2. Dell logo appears. Enter BIOS setup. Go to virtualization setting, and set virtualization is enabled and VTD are enabled. To enable, save and exit. And like this is the article. Okay, so power on, immediately F2, press F2 and go to virtualization setting. In the icon it will displace privacy and security, like that it will displace. Advanced virtualization support, VTX is enabled or save and exist. Okay, like this is the example. If you search VTX is enabled or not, VTX is enabled or not, using CA command prompt, you can check system info command prompt. This is the my IP address. Virtualization is enabled in the FIM is software in laptop. Yes, second level address transition. Okay, like that we can go. Okay, like that can enable VTX. System information type system info. It will available. Okay. See, checking the percentage. After checking, this is the concept of which AWS is the main. Okay. Don't misuse the channel. Okay. Please share valuable content. Next the class we will create how to create virtual machine and how to practice and how to log in VMware and all the things. How to create IAM user and all the things already I discussed it. I will one more time recall the concepts. Net is required. Press escape to not check starting switch root. This is virtualization and installing VMware. This is my Windows. As admin 123. Earlier, two classes back, I created LDAP. This is active directory creation. Okay, DC promo also is there. For DC promo, after installed this, add rules. After rules, collecting data after rules. You can use DC promo for DNS. In the DNS, you can create the domain. In the domain, say 2 of 17 installed. You can create the domain active directory. In the domain, you can use root users and roles. We can use RHE. This is CentOS. This is Windows. This is Red Hat Linux. We can use any type of ISO image in the VMware by using VTX enable. That is, this is the domain creation. We can the domain. We can use computer domain controller and manager service and user creation. If you want to create the user, right click new. You can create the group or user, print or user. We can fill all the details and create next. We can use like this. Okay, this is CentOS English. We can call about India. Continue like that. We can treat I will use root user also. Installation type. You can use this zone India. Okay, connected to Red Hat. Not registered. I have no account. Okay, for this installation, local media server is okay. Software. Okay. Okay. 100 GB. Virtualization disk. Software selection you can use. You can use a server with GUI server, and minimum installation means we can normalization visualization as a host, and we can use like based on the requirement we can use this. Okay, system to tools everything. I will use server with GUI. It is a graphical user interface purpose. I begin the installations. This is installation. This will be done with infrastructure team or OS team or AX team or Linux team will be creating the virtual machine and given to the IP address and host name to the administration team. Okay, this is earlier we can use this. Now market is in AWS, Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services based on your usage, you can monthly payment will be done doing this charge. For CloudWatch, they will charge 7,000 to 8,000, and the service is running based on that. Okay, this is the thing happen. Like this, it will be complete. It will be there. Okay, I have not used some software. You can remove 1187 files will be installed. Then only it will we get virtualization machine based on your internet. It will be goes fast. This is the live class. There is no recording is available. For this, only after live, it will be recorded in the YouTube channel. Okay, it will, if you want, you will watch virtualization concept and other things. Don't misuse the channel. We will deliver the suitable content based on the scenarios and all the things. In the AWS, we can cover about a VPC, virtual private cloud, and a public cloud. Okay, we can add subnet and application deployment through a CLI using EKS. Okay, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes cluster. We will see one by one in the live class. We are available 24 by 7 in the 3 days. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we are available 24 by 7. Okay, we will make it as soon as possible. We will make it as a sessions, more sessions. When I will be free, I will make it as a session. Okay, more maximum 3 4 sessions per day will be the target for AWS. Some of the organization we are using physical machines very danger, and virtualization also very danger. And nowadays market will move to V2C, virtualization cloud, or we can use P2C also, physical machines to cloud. Okay, I will show you how AEC2 console is available. This is my account, AWS account. Go to the support. If any issues, use support cases like that. You can use AWS Health Dashboard. Okay, go to instance, create EC2 instance. This is the data centers. This is the regions are available in this US West 2 are all the things. There are 23 regions is available. Okay, Mumbai AP South one. Mumbai is the data center. Like this, Hyderabad also is there. There are 12. They are not enabled for this account. 12 is there. Still, Hyderabad also is there, right? AP Asia Pacific Hyderabad. AP South two. Australia Sydney is there. Data center. Okay. Okay. Asia Pacific Sydney. AP Southeast. Like this, this is the regions is available. I am the launching the instance. This is the we can create AWS. These are the images we can create already available image. We cannot download and we can import ISO already. We can use Red Hat. See, already Red Hat 9 is there, but we are using VMware. So VMware 9 is there, 9 point, but it is very fast. Okay, it is a free type T2 dot key pair is there. We can search key pair is not there. We can create new key pair. It will treated as AWS. Okay, by using PPK. Okay, already converted and PPK. Create key pair and automatically downloaded. See, this is the downloaded key. If you use the param, can you convert this? Okay, yellow SSH traffic, yellow HTTPS. We can use add volume, add new volume by default. Beta 30 GB is available. Okay, we can use like this. We create AWS instance in a single minute. For VMware purpose and physical machines, we are creating the servers in 4 hours. But AWS, it will create instance in 3 minutes. This is the difference between physical machine and data centers and virtualization machine. It will be difficult, so we can use AWS as a server or instance. It will every instance have one instance ID is available by default. This is public and private IPs. Okay, this is the public IP address. Okay, I am in login. I am login with my putty. Putty is already discussed today. Bonding SSH is 22 for connecting the secured shell. Okay, in this SSH, we can authentication credentials. We can import the PPK file. Okay, I have AWS is there. Can import. We can log in as accept by using EC2-user is the user. I can authenticate it, right? Only 3 minutes to create the EC2 instance. If not use, please terminate the EC2 instance. Otherwise, they will charge the as per running the instance. We can use switch root. They will use if you're not there. Okay, root. Suppose I have Windows API. I am copying the files from local to local to this AWS by using WinSCP. Okay, I will show. I will create. Sorry, I will create one folder. I will create one folders. I am creating user add VAS admin. I am giving password as a VAS admin. As admin at the rate 123. Okay, chone hyphen r VAS admin. Okay, I will check verify VAS admin. Okay, so I am using this IP address. See, new site. I am using this here. EC2 user and advanced. Click advanced and use your key. Use SSH authentication. You can import to PPK. You can import to PPK. You can import to PPK. Just go to root. Here OPT is there, right? OPT is there, right? In the OPT, I am creating the directory. New directory I am creating. Installation manager, or we can give IAM permission denied, right? But OPT is in must and should be VAS admin, right? So in this we cannot create the IAM because I will create here SU VAS admin. I am creating OPT MKDIR IAM. Yes, IAM is created. Okay, okay. So I will escape. I will log in. VAS admin authentication AWS permission denied, right? Key is used with root only. So in this case, I will use EC2 user chone hyphen r. Okay, chone hyphen r. root opt. Okay, permission denied. What permission? Okay, ch mode -r 775 opt. Another option is there. Home. This issue to instance. We can create. We can drag and drop here. This is the best scenarios. Okay. Based on the login, we can connecting and uploading the files. We can upload like this. We can install installation manager and VS product also like this. We are uploading the files like this. This is the cloud. Okay. This is the cloud. I will install installation manager in the cloud. How to unzip the packages in the box. We can see in practicals. Cloud means all clouds are in the earth. Okay. Cloud is not nothing about sky is not this on earth. In earth, every part is an image, either objects treated as objects, either human beings or any things. We can call it about images and objects. We can call it about. Okay, this is WinSCP. By using WinSCP, we can copy the files from local to cloud servers or virtual servers and physical servers. We can treat this. This is the challenge. Okay, for creating. Anybody knows? Anybody asking for? You have no knowledge for anything. You can prove on the spot. Okay. Otherwise, they will chiefly behavior in front of others. Okay, you can prove on the spot in the different situation. After that, we can this is the WebSphere I'm installing. In the WebSphere basic part is installation manager. In the cloud, we are using installation manager. How to install installation manager as a cloud server? This is AWS, Amazon Web Services. Amazon is the company we can provide service to the client in the form of infrastructure as a service. Previously, software as a service and platform as a service and infrastructure as a service. This is the three regions we can cover in this channel. Okay, I am installing the installation manager by using zip commands. Installation manager is the one of the product. It is related to IBM. Okay, CD home is C2 user. Okay, this is I am copying the file from a Windows to OPTIM. File is copied and ch1 I am using ch1. Okay, check su mode 775. Okay, I am login with OPTIM. I am unzip the package. Unzip is not there, right? I am copy Windows. Okay, no issues. No unzip, right? Yum install -y unzip. You can install the unzip package. Okay, whatever is required to install that. I am just unzip. Yeah, this is unzip. I am unfortunately I copied Windows. Okay, so I removed this. Okay, I copied. I will copy. I will copy Windows, Linux. This is Linux. You can use zip unzip commands also. Any doubts? Any doubts? Ping me in the live chat. I will explain. I am seeing the live chat now. I will after 30 after 100%. I will install the installation manager as a cloud server. After completing you terminate the session, terminate the instance. Otherwise, they will charge as per instances because I faced and I will fees you. You are also complete. That is the thing. Don't use much more. You can use CloudWatch and you can pay payment for that. In Azure also same. In Azure console is there. You can create image like this. You can create the console. You can create the instances, all the things. Okay. Recently, I attended one of the administration Windows administration interview. Okay, they asked how to create LDAP and all the things I already discussed in this channel. Please refer how to create active directories and all the things. How to zone mapping. I will tell you next class how to zone mapping and how to create LTPA token. I already discussed it in the last class. LTPA lightweight transmission protocol access. Okay, we can give the passwords and we can import that and given to the LDAP team. Okay, LDAP team they will configure LTPA token to our server and the connectivity will be established from the particular user. Okay, that is the thing happened in LTPA token. Okay, clip, please watch this. Don't misuse. Still running, right? 2 hours, 1 hour completed. So in Amazon console is only 3 minutes. 3 minutes completed. See, already file also loaded. So no issues. Okay, cd optim. See dot slash. Oh, sorry. Unzip. Okay, unzip. Okay, I am installing the installation manager. Okay, dot slash user install c hyphen installation directory opt ibm installation manager hyphen accept license hyphen progress. This is the command to execute installation manager in anywhere in the universe. This is the cloud server. I am installing the installation manager as a cloud. Okay. I am using the cloud server AWS. This is not my VMware. See, IP space A. This is not my VMware, right? It starts with 172. Okay. This is not my VMware. Okay. I will copy VAS 9. I am installing the VAS 9. After unzip, we can remove this RM space F agent. We can remove this, not required. Okay. It will take time. Okay. It will take time. So it will take time. Okay. Next class we will tell you about we already seen right installation manager all the things like that we can install VAS and all everything everywhere you can install like this. Okay. Otherwise I will do one thing here. I will use SFTP. Only C drive is full. I will tell you videos are there. That is the thing. This is that. Okay. I will copy this. This is my recording videos. 31 GB is there. Okay. C drive we cannot use. See, it is completed. It take time to completing this. AWS is completed within only 1 minute. After this, go to slash opt ibm installation manager eclipse and configurations and vim config.ini. This is the vim is not there. VA. Okay, this is the IM version of web. Okay, next class I copy the files and I downloaded by using a cloud server. You can maintain. Okay, like this. We can install via vim. You can use yum install hyphen y vim. Vim is the package. That's it. Init 0. I am terminate the my instance because it will charge. That way I will terminate my session. If not terminated, volume is there. Volumes allocated. So that way if terminated, volume also deleted. No volumes right are terminated. We can use snapshot purpose for instance or use AMIs. No image regions. Okay. We can use instance and we can use elastic Kubernetes cluster. Elastic okay container service EKS. Elastic Kubernetes service is there. Okay. We can use this subnets and everything will be covered this. Click add cluster, create cluster. I will sample by I am using sample. Okay, not overview. I am using sample. Select role. I have no roles. Okay, I have no roles, right? Okay, no roles. Cluster access. Case. Next. Role is mandatory. Role means IAM role. Also can create IAM and other things. Next class we will showing about this. Okay, 41 GB is free. Okay, thank you for watching this. I am Lakup, my machine. Okay, this is about MJR console and all the things. Still running, right? This is the 3 hours time taken to create the virtualization and the servers. So AWS is only 3 minutes take time. Okay, this is the reason behind AWS. We will work. Okay, I will stop the session and recording also I will stop. Recording saved in my local videos. This is the record session. Today's see this is the record session. Okay, 1 hour 24 minutes. I am stopping the streaming. Kindly subscribe the channel. Okay. Please share to your friends. Okay. We'll see in the next class.